Welcome to Hindustan International School, my temple of learning. I'm Krish Iyer, the school captain, and I'll be taking you on a virtual tour of our school. So as we walk in, on the right side, we have our reception desk. We have on the wall many records of the memorable moments at our institution. On the left, we have a beautiful seating area, and it has some more memorable moments all along the walls, and we have boards that are decorated on theme based on what's happening at the school. On the front wall, we have a display of the photos and memorable moments of the events in Hindustan International School. From cultural events to other events that take place here, we have a whole collection of moments. On this wall, we have a record of our accomplishments, including a Guinness World Record. Our school has done it all. Now, let's move on. Over here, we have our kindergarten classrooms. Our walls are painted beautifully with vibrant colors and are always decorated on theme. As you can see, our walls are painted in many different colors and have lessons built into them. If you walk into a classroom, you can take a look at all the colorful paintings that have been done on the walls. Next we have our robotics lab. This lab is equipped for everything the students need to create creative solutions to robotic problems. In our robotics club, the students learn to solve real world problems using robots, and this place is where all the magic happens. And the students come here to not only code but also build robots. Now we see our infirmary room. This room is equipped with everything a student needs when they are in the unfortunate situation of feeling unwell. The rooms are equipped with many different equipment such as a bed for the student to rest and medicines and first aid equipment in case of any injuries. This place is easy on the eye and quiet so that the student feels comfortable and at home. A student can come here and rest before they are sent home when they are unable to take class. Over here, we have a beautiful display of birds and rabbits. We have our own 3 rabbits, and they are always active, always happy, and they are fed regularly. And the students can enjoy watching live animals and see how they behave and how they live in this place. It's painted colorfully and has everything that these animals need to have a happy day. Have our colorful daycare. This is the place that our little ones come here to enjoy and take a little bit of rest. Our staff takes care of these kids and makes sure they have a fun time and also a good rest so they're ready to come back for the next energy-filled day. Next we come into the art room. This is one of my favorite rooms because this is where children get to be free and express their creativity. During their art and craft periods, they come here and let their imagination run wild. We have all kinds of materials all around this area for children to use their creativity and make something with just their minds. We have colorful displays of the wall made by the children's art themselves. In fact, when long ago I had my art on these walls, and I used to be so proud that it would be represented over there. We have many creations made for various occasions also stored here, and anything related to art and craft is created in this room. Next we have our cafeteria. This cafeteria is housing for amazing food for the children. Whenever they haven't brought their snacks or they need something scrumptious to eat, they come here. We have our walls beautifully painted with mouth-watering paintings of different food items and healthy food, as well as a little bit of fun fruits and vegetables as well. Now we have a big menu here which has all the items that the kids would want. This is a place where kids take a look and decide what they want and order it over there. The food is prepared freshly and right in front of the kids' eyes. And over here we have a seating area where the children can sit together and enjoy this food. The environment here is beautiful because the birds are chirping, there's always a fresh breeze, and the children can sit together and enjoy and have a hearty meal. Now, as we move up the staircase, we can see that there are posters posted on the wall talking about the important precautions to take in our times. It is important that the children's safety is ensured at all times at our school. It's the second floor. Our computer lab houses everything that a student needs for their subject. This way, a student not only learns the theory from the textbooks, but also gets to do it in real life in front of them, whether it's coding or forming important posters and web pages at the computer systems. Next, we have our chemistry lab. On the top of our walls, we have important proverbs kept there, so students are always reminded of their moral values. Next we see one of the best places in the school, the library. This place is packed with so many books that I haven't read even a quarter of them. They have magazines, novels, important information books, textbooks, everything you need. Now we move on to the third floor of the school. First we have our Buckingham Hall. This hall, as you can see, this hall is huge. It is equipped for students to sit and enjoy many events that take place here. Whether it's culturals or MUNs, students will love to sit here in this air-conditioned multi-purpose hall and enjoy the events that take place. Our school is proud of our extracurricular activities, and this is the place where all the magic happens. Next, we enter the biology lab. The biology lab is a place where children can get to know more about nature, more about the biology subject. We have many 3D diagrams showing important subjects like parts of the human body and many other subjects. Our biology lab is always ready for housing many students so that they can enjoy learning and see visually what they are seeing in their textbook. We have now come to the end of our virtual tour.